What's up, drone pilot? Welcome back. And if you are new here, this is Neil J, and I came here today to fly my DJI Avata 2 in manual mode with HQ props. I'll be flying low between trees and high in the sky. I want to thank all the subscribers to my channel. For the last month of May, I gained 117 subscribers. That's a milestone, that's a record number. This milestone fuels my passion to bring you more content. Thank you very much for subscribing, and thanks for watching. Without further ado, let's get up in the air. Already, we are clear for takeoff. Start recording. Manual mode, 30 degrees on the angle. Engine starts. Let's go. So this is a new spot for me. I have never been here before. It really has a lot of trees in it. That's why I like it. It's right next to the highway. This is I-10 right here. It's a little bit windy. I came here to show you the wind. A little bit not major, but yeah, it does have wind. So the wind is coming from behind. Okay, I exited that on time. Nice. What I was trying to do, I was trying to go up, flip, and come back and go under the trees right away. Try again. Okay, that's better. Ooh, that was close. That was kitschy. I like this looking tree. Look at this beautiful tree. Nice. Beautiful sky. Very nice. Show you the area here. Cool. You can hit the ground. That's what I like about those HQ props. When you're coming from a dive and you go that full throttle, I mean, it catch really good, man. It's amazing. I like those flags, but I don't want to get close to the street, of course. Woo! A branch! Man, I was licking that grass. Again, man, I'm so fascinated by this tree. I don't know why. It's so beautiful. And hit the ground. That's me. I love those props, man. They're so responsive. Yeah. When I get close to the road, staying away. There we go. Nice. I hope you like this type of flying. Low to the ground, and at the same time going up in the air, living the dream. Here it is. Right, 270 feet, that's enough. I'm gonna go ahead and bring it back. Coming to land. Clear to land. All right, let's go ahead and get it back. It's back in one piece. So this was really a beautiful flying, man. I'm just telling you, this is like living the dream. Okay, this is what living the dream is. Flying between trees and going high, it's just amazing. I love this flying, and I hope you do. And if you have any questions, please feel free to leave it down below in the comment section. I've been always answering every question that I ask. Don't hesitate to ask me, please do. And Thank you again for subscribing. Don't forget to like, and we'll see you on the next one. Goodbye.